everyone, here's K-Sayo. Today I'm going to translate lyrics from BTS called Make It Right. Welcome back! If you're new to the channel, my name is Inyoung. I'm from South Korea and I've been teaching students from all over the world who want to learn Korean language and the culture. I post YouTube videos on this channel every single week on Wednesdays and Saturdays. If you like to see more of this type of videos, please give thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and make sure to click the notification bell so that you don't miss out any single new video. Let's get started. So I'm going to show you my blog. This is the BTS Make It Right K-pop lyrics translation. I like to explain to you step by step. The first one, 내가 날 눈치챘던 순간. 내가 I. So 나 is actually I. When you use subject particle 가 becomes 내가. You don't say 나가. You say 내가 날. It's actually me. 나 plus R underneath makes an adjective. 눈치채다 is notice. 눈치채다, that's the verb in dictionary form. SS underneath makes the verb into a past tense, done. It's used to notice or had noticed as an adjective. 순간, the moment. The moment that I had noticed myself. 떠나야만 했어. 떠나다 is to leave. 야만 only. So in this case, 야하다 is actually have to. 했어, that makes the past tense, I had to leave. But 만 is there. 만 means only. I had no other choice but to leave. I had to leave. 난 찾아내야 했어. 난, I, 찾아내다 is to seek or find. 찾아내다. So 찾다 is also to find. 찾아내다 is more like find out or seek out. 야 했어, again, had to. I had to find out. I had to seek out all day, all night. The next paragraph, 사막과 바다들을 건너. 사막, desert, 과 is and. If the syllable ends with a vowel, you're gonna use 와. In this case, it ends with a consonant G, you're gonna use 과. 바다 is ocean. 들 makes the noun as a plural. 을, object particle, 건너, cross. Cross the desert and the ocean. 넓고 넓은 세계를. It's more like repeating words, but we do that a lot in Korean. So 넓다 is vast, wide. And another same verb, wide. That's why in English I use two different verbs. So the vast and wide world, 세계, 를 object particle, 헤매어 다녔어. 헤매어 다니다 is wander around. So 헤매다 is to wander, 다니다 is around. Baby I. And I could make it better. I could hold you tighter. 그 먼 길 위에서. 그 the specific for the noun 먼, far, 길, path. The far path 위에서 on top of it. 위 is top, 에서 is specific location particle. O, you're the light. 초대받지 못한. 초대받다 to receive invitation. Okay? 받지 못하다 is couldn't get invited. 환영받지 못한. couldn't get welcomed. 환영 is welcome as a noun. 받다 is again receive. 나를 알아줬던 단 한 사람. me. 알아주다 is to recognize. Past tense with done. That had recognized or used to recognize. 단 한 사람, the only one person that used to recognize me or acknowledge me. 끝도 보이지 않던 영원의 밤. 끝, the ending, though also, or even. 보이지 않던, 보이다 is to be seen. 지 않던, not seen. Done again, used to not be seen. Okay? 영원의 밤, forever's night. Forever's night sounds weird in English, so it's better to think of it endless night. So 끝이 보이다 is there is no ending. You cannot see the ending. So that's why I interpret it as the endless night that lasted forever. There was no ending. 내게 아침을 선물한 거야. 내게 to me 아침 morning을 object particle 선물 is a gift. 선물하다 to gift somebody. 선물한 makes an adjective. 건 thing as a noun. So 선물한 건 너야. 아침을 선물한 건 너야. Okay. You're the one who gifted morning to me. You're the one who gave me the morning to me. So you're the light. 이제 그 손 내가 잡아도 될까? 이제 now 그 손 that hand 내가 I as a subject 잡아도 될까? 잡다 is to hold. 아도 돼 is may I permission may I hold your hand? 까 can I or shall I? May I hold your hand now? Oh, I can make you right. Alright. So the next one, 이 세상 속에 영웅이 된 나. 이 세상 속에 영웅이 된 나. 이 세상, this world 속에 inside 영웅, hero, 이 subject particle 된 becoming I, 나. I that became the hero in this world. So 된 is an adjective for 나, right? 나를 찾는 큰 환호와 나를 object as me 찾는 looking for 큰 환호 big cheer 와 and so the big cheer that looks for me and 내 손 트로피와 금빛 마이크 my hand trophy and golden mic all day every day but 모든 게 everything as a subject noun 너에게 to you 닿기 it's from 닿다 verb to reach 기 makes the verb into a noun 위하다 is for by adding am underneath is a noun 인걸 이다 verb to be and underneath adjective call thing are underneath object particle. This is a very complicated sentence. But think of it this way in English. Everything, like I said, this is subject. Everything is for. Everything is for reaching to you. Make sense? Everything is for reaching to you. 내 여정의 답인걸. My 여정 journeys answer 답 인걸 again be verb adjective and thing. It is the answer. It's the answer of my journey. 널 찾기 위해 노래해. You as an object 찾다 to look for 기 위해 in order to 노래해 is from 노래하다 verb to sing. I sing in order to find you. Baby to you. And this one 전보다 조금 더 커진 키에. 전보다 전 before 보다 than. 보다 has another meaning as a verb is to see. In this case, it's not to see since it's the grammatically it's not a verb, right? 전보다 than before. 조금 a little bit 더 more 커진 키에 tall height. Taller height. A little bit more than before. Why is the guy getting taller? You know, when somebody who's not confident, usually they do this. And their tall gets shrink when you do this. But when you're confident, you become taller. So I think that guy, he is getting more confident. 좀 더 단단해진 목소리에. A little bit more 단단해진. To be firm. 목소리, voice. His voice is getting firmer too. 모든 건 everything 너에게 내게 돌아가기 위해. To you 돌아가다 is to return. 기 위해 in order to. Everything is in order to return to you. My rehab. 날 봐. 왜 못 알아봐? Look at me. 왜? Why? 못 알아봐. Why can't you recognize me? 남들의 아우성 따위 듣고 싶지 않아. 남들의 others, apostrophe s, 아우성, shouting, 따위, stuff, shouting stuff, 나, I, 듣다, to listen to, 지 않아. 지 않다 is don't want to. 고 싶지 않아 is don't want to. I don't want to listen to other shouting stuff. I don't want to hear other shouting stuff. 너의 향기는 여전히 나를 꿰뚫어 무너뜨려. 너의 향기, your scent as a subject, 여전히 still 나를 me 꿰뚫어. 꿰뚫다 is like pierce. In this case, like comes through. 무너뜨려. Destroy. More like dissolves me. I interpret it as dissolves me. Let's go back. 그때로, that time. 그 모든 길은 널, the every path. I mean, I have to read this like a whole together. 그 모든 길은 널 향한 거야. Every path is towards you. 향하다 is towards you. 향하다, 너를 향하다. Towards you. 다 소용없었어. Everything was useless. So 소용 is use, 없다. Not exist. Use doesn't exist means useless. 너 아닌 다른 건. Not you, right? Other things. So what's not you? 그때처럼 날 어루만져줘. 그때처럼 like that time 날 me 어루만져줘. 어루만지다 is to comfort. 만지다 actually means touch. 어루만지다 is like 어루만지죠. comfort. 줘, 주다 with another verb. It means a favor for the first verb. Comfort me like that time for me. 끝도 보이지 않던 영원의 밤. I think we did that. Alright. This one. 여전히 아름다운 너. 여전히 still 아름다운 beautiful 너. You. You're still beautiful. 그날의 그때처럼 말없이 그냥 날 안아줘. 그날의 that days 그때처럼 that time. So that time of that day. Like 처럼 말 없이. 말 is word. Or it could be language. 한국말. Korean language. It could be also 한국어. That's also Korean language. But 말 means language or word. 없이, without. 그냥 just. 날, me as an object. 안아줘. Again, 안다 is hug. 줘 is as a favor. Please just hug me without words. Like the last time of that day. Do you remember? Just hug me. 지옥에서 내가 살아남은 건 지옥에서 hell 에서 specific location particle, very specific. 내가 I 살아남은 건 살아남다 to survive. 살다 is to live. 살아남다 is live and remained, which means to survive. 건 the reason, the fact that I survived from the hell, or the reason I survived from the hell. 날 위한 게 아닌 되려 널 위한 걸. 날 위한 게 not for me, 되려 rather 너를 위한 걸, but for you. 안다면 주저 말고 please save my life. 안다면. In this case, you may be confused as 안다, which is hug. In this case, it's 알다. R is dropped. 알다 is to know. 안다면, if you know it, 주저 말고 don't hesitate and please save my life. I'm in hell right now. You know, that time I survived from the hell, it was for you, not for me. So this time, if you know it, please save my life. 너 없이 헤쳐왔던 사막 위는 목말라. 너 없이 without you 헤쳐왔던 it's plus through. 사막 위는 on top of desert 목말라 is very thirsty and dry. The on top of desert that I passed through without you was very dry, not emotional. 그러니, therefore, 어서 빨리 날 잡아줘. Please hurry up, quickly, me. 잡아줘. 잡다 is hold for me. Hold me for me quickly. 너 없는 바다는 결국 사막과 같은 거란 걸 알아. 너 없는 without you 바다는 the ocean as a subject noun. 결국 eventually 사막과 desert 과 같다 is the same as the desert. 을 adjective for the future tense 거 thing 란 걸 알아. 란 걸. So 거 here, I mean it's used twice. You can interpret 거 as the fact as well. Know the fact that the ocean without you will eventually the same as the desert. Okay, so it's very poetic. Alright. Okay, the same thing. 다 소용없었어. Everything was useless. 너 아닌 다른 거 was not you. It seems like the lyric says that I assumed it's a boy or guy. He really needs her right now. And he helped her before. So he's waiting for her to return the favor back. So make it right. This time it's given to you as an opportunity. So make it right. This song is very catchy. So I really like this melody. And this might be one of my favorite songs from BTS latest album. Just please drop a comment if you like this song and what you think about these lyrics. And let me know if you thought about these lyrics when you listen to it. And now that you know the lyrics and what you think about the song. And if you have any questions, please leave comment and I see you guys next time. Bye bye.